Hello everyone, this is Gail at Ladyfingers Sewing. Look at all these boxes. Gee whiz, I wonder what's inside. Well, I know that this is a huge shipment of Kaffe Fabrics Collective. These are all new prints, so without further ado, we'll get started in opening up all these wonderful boxes. I believe there's something like 64 new pieces of Kaffe that just arrived here at Ladyfingers. But first, now you know that I don't cheat. These boxes have not been opened yet, so I forget what's in them. But this box I did know was a collection of 3-yard cuts of 108-inch wide backs that are also Kaffe Facet. Debbie was in yesterday and she needed a wide back in the worst way, and I had a feeling that what she wanted was in this box. So Debbie got first dibbies, so you get second dibbies. But here they are, and they're absolutely wonderful. These great wide backs are perfect for your project. They're 3-yard cuts of 108 inches wide of beautiful Kaffe fabric. So let's take a quick look. There's Tula in here too. This is Tula's, what is this one? The sewing, the handmade collection. So if you guys are ready to back those quilts, here's your backing. Another Kaffe Collective in the huge, wonderful orange flowers. I think this is the one Debbie got yesterday, so I have one left. And another handmade by Tula. And another of Kaffe with the turquoise background, which is absolutely gorgeous. And I have another box of these as well. So if you want them, come and get them. They will also be available online. And so let's go on and open one of these great big boxes of Kaffe. Box number 1, let's see what's inside. They don't ever pack these in any particular order, so it's always a surprise, like I said, and oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Now it's all coming back to me. Okay, check this out. This one is a cobalt. I can't quite see the name of it, but it is absolutely thrilling. I love the color combinations. I would theme a whole quilt after what you see here. This is amazing. And of course, the mysterious octopi. This is really cool with black with subtle pastel colors. I have a feeling this would work great with the Dimples Mist pastels that we have in stock. Here is a really wonderful spotty, stripy thing in one of my favorite colors, kind of a periwinkle look. Another in the same colorway, this time with squares and dots. These are a little wavy, so you don't have to worry about fussy cutting them or cutting them straight. Just let them do their thing, and let you, if you're using this for a border or a sashing, let it be a little organic. That's part of the fun of using Kaffe fabrics. Here's another one with a slightly darker look, more olive greens, and I love this. This is a wonderful zigzag. This zigzag stripe is a little narrower than the ones that Kaffe has done in the past. So this is absolutely gorgeous. And another big floral. Zinnias and dahlias, all kinds of flowers in beautiful, almost fall colors, really pretty. All right, box number 2. Let's see what's in here. We have some more, it looks like some dots. This is a wonderful red, almost, I don't know, it's like a dark barn red with an awesome olive green dot. Super coloration. Another spotty one. And more of a pastel color. What else is in here? A beautiful raspberry on a pink. Who doesn't love a good dot? Here's a great one. This is a very dark navy with a beautiful lapis blue. Really, really nice. And almost a funky take on camo. But I like how the colors change in the little dots from a dark into a medium brown and back again. It's a really exciting print to chop up and use. And the same print in a completely different colorway. So come and get them. Okay, this is box number 3, I believe. Too many to count. Here's some more. Ooh, I like this. This is a really pretty, another, that kind of faux camo. I'm going to call it camo. I don't know what else to call it. But a wonderful abstract print with a nifty orange background with purple and black little dots and kind of a slate blue gray on the figures here. Let's see. Somebody needs to make an animal out of this. Isn't this the coolest ever? How about a nice big kitty cat? Black spots on a stripy, wavy, stripy background. Again, you don't have to really worry about which way it goes. It just works. Another fun dot. I also see this as an animal, perhaps. Nice, different, pretty pastel, almost to medium dots on a black background. And this, I'll call it a faux camo print again, with a pink background, dark raspberry and blue and periwinkle. This one's cool. I think my granddaughter's going to like this one. So this is a dark cherry, fuchsia, purple, turquoise, teal. It's very vibrant, really, really exciting print. And a very happy turquoise blue octopus. Super fun. Who needs some fabric at their beach house? And finally, another warm orange, pink, purple multifloral with the dahlias and the zinnias on it. All right, I've lost count. I don't know if this is box number 4 or number 5, but we have a bunch of boxes to go, so check this out. This is a great multicolored, that wonderful boxes with the dots in it. Again, it's a little wavy, so don't worry about fussy cutting. Just chop it up and use it. It looks great. More octopus on a vibrant orange background with green and gray and a little bit of periwinkle and purple. I think Bill's going to like this one. This one's a cool red with a blueberry and medium blue, almost tealy color. Very, very cool. More zinnias. These look radically different than the other ones, don't they? These are a little more realistic. All multicolored on a medium blue background. There's something different. This is, let's see if I know my flowers. Wisteria. Not the wisteria I know, but nevertheless, they look charming and wonderful. And the all-important watermelon. I know you guys have been waiting for this, so if you want it, come and get it. This is going to last about 5 minutes. Super duper watermelons. And another tighter zigzag. Love this print. Very handsome. I can see Sarah Bond grabbing all this, so come and get it. All right. Moving right along, we have, oh boy, another wisteria in an exciting colorway. This is rich and robust, very jewel tone, very pretty. More watermelons. Oh man. What can I say? This is absolutely splendid. If you like purple, this is for you. Another wisteria, very elegant gray background with pretty pinks and purple, turquoise and green. And this is vintage lotus leaf in a new colorway. Isn't that gorgeous? We have, oh my, look at these. One of my favorite flowers, beautiful iris, done up so handsome. This is just wonderful. And ruby watermelon. That looks pretty cool, doesn't it? And finally, these wonderful floating, I don't know, pansies, whatever they are, guinea flowers they are, on a dark, like a purpley marine blue purple color on a black. Okay, we're going to blast through these because I know that you are going to want to get online or come on over to the shop to grab your share of these gorgeous Kaffe Collective prints. Here's another one in the agate in a beautiful dark blue and purple colorway on black. Oh, this is awesome. So here's another one. Look at the greens and reds and teals. The mixture of these colors is just amazing. I know a lot of you are wondering where I'm going to put it all. Well, what I'm going to do is put it all in your shopping bag, so don't worry. Come on over and grab it. More iris on a very pale blue background. This is just beautiful. More agate in a really neat medium green with dark blue. Wonderful to chop up. I like that one. And more of the amaryllis on a blue background too. Really pretty red colors. You could really almost put this in with Christmas. And more agate in gray and pink. How cool is that? And more amaryllis. This is very unusual with a beautiful purple background and gorgeous blue amaryllis flowers.